Today we are going to go over a useful basic move, the thigh spin. Thigh spins are an excellent tool to help us transition between planes. We can transition 180 degrees or 90 degrees. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on the 90-degree turns. We will first learn to transition from wheel plane to wall plane, then vice versa. Let's get started. We first go over the footwork without the dart. We step into wheel plane. We will be turning towards our anchor side, counterclockwise for right-handed people, clockwise for left-handed. We will lift our lead foot, pivot 90 degrees, and step into wall plane, with our lead foot stepping forward. Okay, now we add the rope dart. We start in wheel plane again. We grip our rope at about this length with our lead hand, while the anchor hand gathers the extra slack. We start swinging the dart towards the ground, also known as a downward swing. Now, we raise our lead foot again, and this time, we bring our lead hand close to our thigh as we start to pivot. The rope should make contact with the lower part of our inner thigh. We finish our pivot and step forward, allowing space in between our legs for the dart to clear our body. We end in wall plane, spinning towards our lead side. Let's watch again in real time. We need to make sure to really step forward, otherwise the dart won't clear our body and might get caught on our leg. Here it is again from a different angle. Okay, after we have practiced this until we feel comfortable, we can also learn to do this move in reverse. We start in wall plane, and this time pivot 90 degrees and step behind us, tracing the path that we just made in the first move. Our leg will be pushing the rope with the outside of our thigh this time. We end in wheel plane. Let's practice both of these directions. Eventually, we can switch from one to the other without putting our foot down. Sweet! Finally, I will briefly mention that we can also do this move with our anchor leg. I don't use my anchor leg as often when executing thigh spins, but I felt it is important to mention because many well-known rope dartists use their anchor thigh spins often when traveling or when transitioning between moves. Okay, that is the end of this short tutorial. The more ways we can learn to transition between planes, the better our flow will be. Love you guys!